Today, I'll teach you how to make authentic Kurobuta pork fried noodles at home. Please note the ingredients, then we will start to make the step-by-step recipe.
Here are the ingredients we'll need. Kurobuta pork, fresh egg noodles, cabbage, carrots, onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauces, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, black and white pepper, and cooking oil.
Begin by slicing Kurobuta pork thinly against the grain. Place sliced pork carefully into a clean mixing bowl. Drizzle sesame oil for aroma and deeper flavor. Sprinkle sugar and cornstarch to tenderize the pork. Season generously with freshly ground black pepper. Mix gently until pork is evenly coated with marinade. Let pork marinate for 15 minutes at room temperature. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of water to boil. Add fresh egg noodles and cook until just tender. Drain noodles immediately to prevent overcooking and softness. Rinse lightly with cold water to stop cooking. Toss noodles with a few drops of oil. In a bowl, combine light and dark soy sauces. Add oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper, and water. Stir thoroughly until sugar dissolves and sauce blends smoothly. Heat a wok over high flame until lightly smoking. Add neutral oil, then spread marinated pork evenly. Sear undisturbed briefly, then toss until just cooked. Remove pork from wok and set aside temporarily. In same wok, sauté garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add onions, cabbage, carrots, and stir-fry briefly. Add noodles, return pork, pour sauce, toss continuously. Add spring onions, turn off heat, plate beautifully, and serve. That's all for today's recipe. Stay tuned for more delicious dishes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.